John Crestani here, and I'll be going over today how to make true passive income. So I see a lot of people talking about passive income, passive income, passive income. A lot of the methods they're teaching, it's not real passive income. I'm gonna be showing you ways that you don't have to do any work, like zero work, and have the money come in on this video, and I'll be listing them all out right here and giving you examples of each of them. I'm going to go over 6 methods to make passive income, and keep in mind that these methods are not ranked in any order. I put numbers to them, but it's not like one is better than the other. But these are going to be truly passive income methods. Passive income means you don't have to work for it. It means you don't have to actually have really anything going on. You don't even have to have a website. You don't have to pay any bills. It just comes in and it goes to your bank account. There's nothing going out. There's no work or any money you have to spend to get it. So let's go over the first one, which is writing a book, okay? Now, this process has been made very easy through the Kindle store. Now, if you go on Amazon.com, you can find the Kindle allows you to self-publish using Amazon. So you no longer have to deal with publishers other than Amazon. You don't have to warehouse your book. You don't have to produce your book. It's literally an ebook. All you have to do is write it, and Amazon, whether you don't need a website or anything for it, you just let Amazon host the book for you, sell the book for you, and that's it. So writing a book is a very good way to make passive income. Now, the second method to make passive income is pretty interesting, and it's called peer-to-peer lending. Sort of like an investment, but you don't even have to actually invest if you're using peer-to-peer lending. You can actually use your own credit. So if you just have a credit score, you can use your credit score to make money. Peer-to-peer lending, you can also loan money, and what these are is microloans. So in the past, or still in today, big banks loan people money because banks have all the money. But nowadays, because of the internet, essentially, anybody can loan anybody else money. And these microloans, you earn, I think on average, about 11% interest on, which is really good. That's a much more money than you'd earn if you keep it in a bank, or that's like 2%, or if you keep it in even just like, money market accounts, like 4%. The next one, my favorite, what am I gonna finish writing? Does anybody know? Comments, baby. Affiliate marketing. If you've been following me for a while, just give this video a like. If you're doing affiliate marketing, write down in the comments if you're doing it. Let me know how you're doing it. I'd love to know if you're doing affiliate marketing with, Pinterest, or, Pinterest and ClickBank, right? Or if you're doing it with, Google and ShareASale, or, Facebook and Commission Junction. Whatever you're doing, let me know. But affiliate marketing is how I earn a lot of money, and I have multiple income streams within affiliate marketing that pay me out residual commissions. A lot of people do affiliate marketing the wrong way, and they don't earn passive income, okay? Most ways of affiliate marketing will not earn you passive income. The way I recommend people do it is you do programs which pay you recurring commissions, okay? Now, if you get one sale, let's say I go really hard, I'm doing a lot of affiliate marketing. If I shut down everything today, if I stopped paying all my website bills, I just didn't have any presence online, I deleted my YouTube channel, I just said screw it all, I would still have commissions coming into me every single month because I've joined a number of affiliate programs, hosting companies, training companies, etc., that pay me recurring commissions. I make roughly, it's something crazy like $60,000 or $70,000 a month just recurring. So if I shut down everything, I'd still be making, it'll go down over time, it'll be 70, then it'll be 60, then it'll be 50. And that's how you make passive income. You do a lot of work, but then it's passive. The next method to get passive income is one of my favorites. You're watching it right here, baby. It's YouTube. Start a YouTube channel. A YouTube channel isn't gonna be passive income if you're posting up videos every day, right? Like I'm here doing work. This isn't passive. But, I have videos from years ago that are still getting a lot of views, and not years ago, I mean, it's been like a year or something, but I have a video from like a year ago that's still getting lots of views, and I make money from it. And I only make, a couple $100 a week or something like that. But I don't have to do any work for those videos. Those videos are hosted by YouTube. They're there. People buy ads on them. So I make money on them. So very easy to do a YouTube channel. I think it's great. You have to be entertaining. You have to be comfortable to get in front of a camera. And you have to have something interesting to say. There's a lot that goes into YouTube, and you need to hire good editors if you really want to do it right. or you need to learn editing, but everything you can do from your mobile phone. So you really don't need any money to get started on YouTube, and it can become a large passive income source. The next one is stock investing, okay? So you can invest in stocks, and stocks will earn you money. You don't actually have to do any work for it, because what you're doing is you're letting your money work for you. That's passive income. You're not doing any work for it. It's just sitting there working for you. And the real way to retire is when you have enough passive income to support the rest of your life. And if you were just to go off of stock investing at very, let's just say, conservative gains, conservative portfolio would gain about 4% a year. So if your lifestyle costs $40,000 a year, then you need $1 million in stocks and you are retired. You have enough passive income to supplement your lifestyle, and you will never have to work for the rest of your life, as long as you don't go above $40,000 a year. Now, the last passive income method is real estate investing, or abbreviated REI. And real estate investing, I kind of recently got into it. I'm not really big into real estate investing. I bought my first investment property, but it's really just a piece of land. So I'm not actually making money from it. It isn't creating me any passive income. But there are ways to do real estate investing, such as buying duplexes or buying, 4-unit apartment buildings or stuff like that, where you have people paying you rent every month, and they're paying you more rent than what your mortgage or your loan is on the property. So that's a really great way to get passive income as well. But I don't believe real estate investing is as passive as people make it seem. Let me know in the comments below what method was the most interesting to you to create passive income. Was it writing a book? Was it P2P lending? Was it affiliate marketing, YouTube, stock investing, or real estate investing? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're most interested in, and whichever one gets the most votes or comments, I will end up doing a video going more in depth on that. I actually don't even think I've done a recurring revenue affiliate marketing video. I'll probably do that anyways. All of these methods are great ways to build up that passive income, because that's how you retire. And that's really the important thing in life, to never, wouldn't it be great to never have to work again, even if you wanted to never have to, and just always have that safety net of money coming in. So see you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get future video updates of when I'm releasing them. I could talk about a lot of things on this channel. If you want to learn just how to start as an entrepreneur, I'm putting a link to the playlist somewhere around here, which goes into the mindset of my friend Drew Canoli, owner of a $50 million a year company, Organifi. He gives great life lessons on how to be an entrepreneur. And also, as always, check out all of my content. I go over a lot of free traffic methods of how to make money with your computer and do affiliate marketing, which is my main thing. Talk to you soon. See ya.